Hello hungry friends, sometimes you just need to treat yourself. And preparing goulash using tenderloin makes it especially delicious and tender, perfect for festive occasions. So, if you don't want to prepare Easter lamb and are looking for a tasty alternative, you've come to the right place. For this, we do need the tenderloin and 1 bell pepper, just half is perfect, preferably a vibrant red. 1 or 2 carrots depending on size, 1 onion, garlic cloves, and tomato paste. For spices you'll need pepper, salt, a sprinkle of sweet paprika, marjoram, and granulated broth. First, we will need to do a few important preparatory steps de-seeding the bell pepper and cutting it into small pieces. Start by peeling or scrubbing the carrots until they're clean, then proceed to dice them, and afterwards, peel and finely chop the onion and garlic cloves. Now let's look at the tenderloin that's been patted dry. I truly suggest slicing it lengthwise in half with a large sharp knife. Next, halve the pieces again to yield 4 strips, cutting crosswise into bite-sized cubes, perfect for goulash. Once you finish with that, you'll want to heat clarified butter, or oil if you prefer, in a deep pan or alternatively in a wide pot. Then, place the meat pieces inside. Season them generously with pepper. Also, add salt and don't hold back on the pepper. Add paprika, mix everything, and sear the meat on all sides. Stir occasionally. Is the meat cooked as desired? Then we take it out of the pan for now. Next, let's add the prepared vegetables to the rich, remaining browned bits left in the pan, the finely chopped onion, bright bell pepper pieces, diced carrot, and fragrant minced garlic. Briefly saute everything while stirring, then we add the meat back into the pan, mix everything together, and now we add the tomato paste and sprinkle in the marjoram. Stir everything together thoroughly for a moment, then carefully pour in the rich and flavorful broth. Stir again and bring it to a quick, rolling boil before reducing the heat so everything can gently simmer. Put on the lid and let it braise for about 40 to 45 minutes until the meat is tender. Afterward, taste it and add a bit more pepper or salt if necessary. And if the sauce is too thin for your liking, there's a great option besides flour or sauce thickener. I personally prefer grating a raw potato into it. Stir everything again, warm it briefly, and then we can take the finished goulash off the stove and serve it. There are many possible side dishes. I've chosen dumplings, and since they're already available, green asparagus as a vegetable side dish. But of course, you can combine it differently. In any case, this pork goulash is truly delicious. I wish you lots of fun preparing it and a very good appetite. Wishing you all the best until next time. Bye bye.